Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, quickly now open your book page 141. Quickly open your book page 141. Okay, look. Now our topic is chapter 12, time, part 1. Lecture number 8, lecture nom 8, number of SW7. Okay. Okay, dear student, now you look at the whiteboard. Look, this is a table clock. This is a table clock. Now I will teach you how can we convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Similarly, 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Okay. Look, this is 12 hours. That means when midnight, then we will say in our local time 12:00 a.m. 12:00 a.m. Then 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. like this 11:59 a.m. That means up to 11:59 we will say a.m. This is our local system. But when midday starts, then we will say 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Then after 12 p.m. we will say like this way 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. like this way. But what is the difference between 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock? You see, this is midnight, this is midnight, this is midday, this is midnight. Dear student, observe carefully. In 24-hour clock, we don't use AM or PM. In 24-hour clock, we don't use AM or PM. But in 12-hour clock, we use AM or PM. AM means ante-meridian, PM means post-meridian. AM means ante-meridian, PM means post-meridian. Okay, look, this is midnight. This is midnight, that means 00 hours in 24-hour clock. Then we will say this time in our local time 12:00 a.m. Similarly, we will say in our local time 3 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 9 a.m. like this way. Okay? Dear student, you look carefully. 12 a.m. to 11:59. There is no sense in hours. Look, 9 hours, 9 hours. 6 hours, 6 hours. 3 hours, 3 hours. 00 hours, that means 12 hours. This is in morning time in our local system. Okay? That means 11:00 a.m. to 11:59. 11:59 we say and use AM. Okay? But when midday starts, we will say 12 p.m. But in 24-hour clock, we say 12 hours. Similarly, in 12-hour clock, when we will say 3 p.m., then we will say in 24-hour clock 15 hours. We don't use AM or PM. Similarly, 9 p.m. Then we will say in 24-hour clock 21 hours. 21 hours. Like this way, we'll say 11:59 p.m. And when 12:00 comes, then we'll say in local time 12:00 a.m. Then again midnight is starts. Again midnight is starts, and we'll say 00 hours. Okay. You see a diagram. This is 12-hour clock. This is 24-hour clock. This is 12-hour clock, and this is 24-hour clock. Look, when we'll say 12:00 a.m., that means midnight. In 24-hour clock, we use here 00 hours. Remember, when you express 24-hour clock, you must be use 4 digits. Suppose 00, 00. Yes. 1 a.m. That means in morning period, we'll say 1 a.m. 24-hour clock, we'll say 1 hours. We don't use a.m. or p.m. 3 a.m. we use in local time, but 24-hour clock only 3 hours. Like this way, 11:59 we use a.m. But when midday starts again, then we say 12 p.m. 12 p.m. That means 12-hour clock, 12 hours. Now, in local time or 12-hour clock, when we will say 1 p.m., then we will say in 24-hour clock 13 hours. When we will say 2 p.m. in 12-hour clock, then we will say in 24-hour clock 14 hours. Okay. Similarly, when we will say 10 p.m. in 12-hour clock, then we will say in 24-hour clock 22 hours. Okay, that means when you convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, you add 12 hours to local time or 12-hour clock. Suppose 1 p.m. If you convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, you add with 12. Then that means 1 plus 12 equal to what? 13 hours. Okay, like this way. Dear student, now I will show 3 examples for you. Look, convert the time 8:00 p.m. into 24-hour clock. Look, this is 12-hour clock. Okay, write the given time. Write given time 8:00 p.m. Yes. In 24-hour clock, this time can be written as 8, this is hours, plus 12. You see 00 plus 00. Then we will say 8 plus 12. That means 20, 0, 0. Okay. That means when you convert the time 8 p.m. into 24-hour clock, we will say 24 hours. We will say 20 hours. That means when you convert the time 8 p.m. to 24-hour clock, then you say 20 hours. Okay. This is the conversion of 24-hour clock. Okay. We don't use here AM or PM. So this is 24-hour clock. Now question number 3. Look, this question number. Convert 07 hours into 12-hour clock. You see, this is actually morning period. That means the morning. So if we convert this time in 12 o'clock, then we write 07 hours can be written in 12 hour clock as 07:00 am. Okay, here you see time here not change, but only you use here am, only anti-meridian, because this is morning period or morning time. Now look, this is SW number 7, exercise 12, question number 7, 1, 4 and 8 number 2, 4, only 2 and 4. This is your SW, okay. This is page 141, this is page 141. You may write here also page 141. This is page 141. Dear student, look, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit your SW copy regularly on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM on the school library, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect these SW copies. Okay dear student, no more today. See you again, and remember that practice makes man perfect. So you practice again and again.